I am going to school. He is sneezing. I'm delivering the lecture. I am weak in English. I hope. Don't worry about me. I am listening song. Change your mind. I am going to market. Don't worry. Ali is sleeping. I am taking shower. Stay behind me. She is looking at her. He is making noise. He is shouting. Can you be my friend? He is talking. I am driving the car. I am asking to him. So what? She is ready to teach. Light the candle. Do you miss him? You can talk. He changed his mind. She is cooking food. I am playing. I'm winning. Wait and see. Thread the needle. They are working. She put out the candle. I'm getting married. She is getting engaged. It is your problem. He is drinking water.